Hi, Troy with Neighborhood Explorer, and I want to show you our new stat upload process. So this is in beta. We'd love your all's feedback. If you're logged in, you can click your org name here in the top right to select Manage My Org. That's going to take you to this screen. Then you can click Statistics, and that's where you'll be able to see all the stats you've uploaded. You can upload new ones by clicking Create Activity Statistic or Output, if you will. And those are the things that you are doing to affect change in your community. Or create outcome statistic, which is going to be more of the measurements and how you're measuring your success. But for now, let's stick to activity. And then let's name this, we'll say science tutoring. And so we can add a subtitle here, some description, unit. Let's make this total to say the number of tutoring sessions we've done. This would be how we interpret change. Let's just leave that as neutral. And update will be annual. And this would be related to percent, so we can ignore that. And let's just say tracked. And so then the best way to proceed is to download this example CSV here that we can fill with our data. And you can go ahead and open that with your favorite CSV spreadsheet editor. And so I've got my local one here. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a few more rows for some dummy data here. And let's keep this year the same. We'll make this 22. And so we've got some from last year, some from this year, and we'll just say we'll use the same tracks here for the next year and just update some of this data to be a little different. So we can pretend like this is the number of science tutoring sessions that we have done. And then once we're done, we can go ahead and save this and export it. I'm gonna make sure you export it as a CSV. And I'll just go ahead and replace that one that we just had there. So then let's go back to our Neighborhood Explorer, grab that file that we have uploaded, make sure it's the CSV, and say upload. And then we're going to see this tutoring process, this tutoring CSV being uploaded here. And then when it's done, it'll say imported, so great. And then we can go back to our statistic list and we can see the ones that we've uploaded here. And so let's go down and find that science one. And here it is. And then we can say view on map. So let's check that out and see how that looks. Okay, so we've got our different zips here, our different tracks here that we can see the numbers, the different areas where we're doing our science tutoring. We can see the data for the previous year too. And that's basically it. So as we add more data, we'll update that in the stats page, and we'll also add more ways to edit your data and ways to upload your data. So let us know how it goes for you and the types of things that you're uploading. Thank you so much. Bye.